Well, the highest court in the country has struck down an abortion law in Louisiana, with Chief Justice John Roberts siding with the more liberal judges and surprising many peers. Karen Travers tonight has more from Washington.
An unfortunate ruling. That's what the White House is calling the 5-4 decision by the Supreme Court, striking down a Louisiana law requiring abortion providers to have admitting privileges at a nearby hospital. Chief Justice John Roberts joining the 4 liberal justices in ruling that Louisiana's restrictions amounted to an undue burden on abortion access. If upheld, the law could have left the state with just 1 abortion clinic. But Roberts did not agree with the liberals on the merits of the case. His legal reasoning was precedence. The Supreme Court struck down a similar abortion law in Texas in 2016. White House Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany said in a statement, the ruling devalued both the health of mothers and the lives of unborn children, adding that, quote, unelected justices have intruded on the sovereign prerogatives of state governments. President Trump appointed 2 of the 9 justices on the conservative-leaning Supreme Court, but recently he's been fiercely critical of the court. After it blocked his move to end DACA, President Trump writing on Twitter, do you get the impression that the Supreme Court doesn't like me? And later slamming what he called horrible and politically charged decisions. Today's ruling may come as a surprise to the president, who just last week in an interview with the Christian Broadcast Network said,
you look at the Supreme Court, they're pro-left.
Both parties have declared the makeup of the Supreme Court a critical election year issue. Democrats hailed today's ruling. The DNC said its fight to protect access to abortion continues with the election of Joe Biden. Karen Travers, ABC News, Washington.